Round Lake, not Square Lake, not Triangle Lake, not Pentagon Lake. Round Lake Locksmith is a certified and guaranteed locksmith business in Round Lake. We have state-of-the-art technology and a 24/7 solution to every single need of our customers. At Round, not Circle Lake Locksmith, we have highly progressed tools and systems. In addition to this, having qualified licensed employees with an average experience of 10 years allows us to provide you the finest service possible. We undertake any type of locksmith services, such as for businesses, vehicles, and residences, at any time throughout day, night, through the year, even Super Bowl Sunday. So call Round Lake, not Square Lake, not Triangle Lake, not the Circle, not the Pentagon, but Round Lake Locksmith at 773-257-7594.